Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Programming for Beginners. I will share some basic knowledge about learning code programming for the beginners. Today, we are going to discuss about variables declaration and initialization in the C# programming language. Let's take a look at the overall concept of variables declaration and initialization in the C# programming language in this image, which consists of 5 types. Declaration only, declaration and initialization, implicit type declaration, multiple declaration and initialization, constants and read-only variables. Firstly, let's look at the declaration only. In the example, we declared a variable named myNumber of type int but haven't assigned it a value yet. This is useful when we want to declare a variable but assign a value to it later in our code. Next, the second type is declaration and initialization. In the example, we declared a variable named myName of type string and assigned it the value John at the same time. This is common when we know the initial value of the variable at the time of declaration. The third type is implicit type declaration. We use var keyword to declare a variable without explicitly specifying its type, and the type is inferred from the assignment. In the example, my variable is implicitly of type int. The fourth type is multiple declaration and initialization. We can declare and initialize multiple variables in a single statement and separating them with commas. In the example, variables a, b and c are assigned the value 5, 10 and 15 respectively. Finally, the fifth part is constants and read-only variables. We declared a variable using const for the variable becomes constants. Constants must be initialized during declaration and cannot be changed later. In the example, variable pi is declared as constants of type double and is assigned the value 3.14. For read-only variables, we declared a variable using read-only. Read-only variables can be assigned a value during declaration or within the constructor of the class. In the example, variable setting is declared as read-only of type string and is assigned the value read-only setting. Remember that C# is a statically typed language, so once a variable is declared with a certain type, you cannot assign values of a different type to it without explicit conversion. Also, variables must be initialized before they are used. That concludes today's overview of variables declaration and initialization in the C# programming language. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. See you in the next video.